Hi, Assalamualaikum everyone, it's me again, Nurin. So for today's vlog, I'll be practice a new song which is called Kiss the Rain that played by Korean artist Yiruma. So I'll be practice the verse 1 of the song Kiss the Rain. So without further ado, let's get started. But before I forgot that I'm still learning, guys, so don't judge me, okay? So the first key is start with 5 1 2 2 3 3 1 2 3 2 5 5 5 6 7 7 1 1 2 3 2 1 7. Okay, this one is 5. And then continue again with 1 7 5 5 6 6 5 4 4 5 5 1 2 3 3 4 4 5 4 3 3 2 2. Then continue again with 5 1. Okay, let's start. That's all for today's video. I see you guys on my next vlog. Bye guys, thank you for watching.